Hello guys, my name is Fahad Hossain. I have recently graduated from Charles Darwin University. I have done my master's on professional accounting, and recently I have joined KPMG Darwin as a consultant in their advisory team. During my last semester of university, I got myself enrolled in a workshop that was organized by both CDU Career Center and also KPMG itself. The workshop was really open, and it was open for all discipline, which is a really good thing. And I pretty much excelled in that particular workshop where I got selected for my graduate role in KPMG Darwin. I got two wonderful colleagues with me who will also CDU alumni and working with me in KPMG in different teams. So one is Akash, another one is Catherine. So they basically graduated just 1 or 2 semesters before me. So in terms of employability, CDU have a lot to offer for international students. Hi all, so this is the Casuarina Square. This is where we all normally, the students, we all come to shop around and come for a walk. There's amazing food and all the amazing restaurants are up here. And our university, Charles Darwin, is just a few minutes drive from here. We have amazing gym, and yeah, sometimes they also come for a workout up here. If you want to stay at Uni Lodge, it got an amazing communal room where you can enjoy all the indoor activities, like they have their indoor pool, indoor ping pong zone, some arcade games. Though I'm not really good at pool, but I sometimes give it a go. Yeah. This is Point Beach, where I come for a walk with my wife. And just up there, you can see the Darwin City, a beautiful place to be. And normally I come here with my wife to have a walk, to watch this beautiful sunset. And in terms of goal setting, if you have a set of goal and you want to achieve that, I would definitely say come to Darwin, explore here, explore all the opportunities, enjoy the tropical weather, enjoy the territory vibe.